Hello again, Professor Drake Star here on a very special edition of Nashville Nature, coming to you live from Radnor Lake. And today we have the white-tailed deer. This is a doe in its natural habitat, eating some vegetation here at Radnor Lake. Very fragile ecosystem. You can see the doe, its body, and there's its head. A white-tailed deer here at Radnor Lake. We are not in danger. We are just being very quiet as to not disturb the doe as it's having its midday brunch, like many other Nashvillians. Yes, this is a white-tailed deer here at Radnor Lake. I am Professor Drake Star, and this is Nashville Nature.